Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and put the transmission in park or neutral. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid 12V shocks while you work. Check your owner's manual for the correct bulb type, such as H11, and purchase the specified 12V55W replacement. Allow the headlight assembly to cool for at least 10 minutes before touching the bulb to prevent burns and avoid transferring skin oils onto the glass surface. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Remove the rubber dust cover by turning or pulling it straight off. Press the wiring harness release tab and pull the connector away. Unclip any retention springs or twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to free the bulb. If the workspace is constrained, remove the battery or airbox using a 10mm socket to create clearance. Never force the assembly or use excessive leverage that could break plastic tabs. Handle the new bulb by the base only and avoid touching the glass. Oils cause hot spots and early failure. Insert the bulb into the socket, align the tabs, and secure it with a clockwise twist or retention clip until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness and replace the rubber dust cover, then reconnect the negative battery terminal and switch on the headlights to test. If the beam is misaligned, adjust the vertical and horizontal screws on the headlight while parked 25 feet from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.